Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, if you are a fresher, a college student, a graduate, or a postgraduate, then this video is going to be very important for you, because here I'm going to tell about the free AWS course with free certification. The whole tech world is running behind this AWS certification, but you will be able to do it in free, and that certificate you will be able to use it in your resume, on your LinkedIn profile, and also you can use during the interviews, right? So I will show you some data. So in 2019 there were more than 2,40,000 individual with an AWS certification, and if you come down, so in August 2021 there were 5,75,000 individuals hold active AWS certification. That means this AWS certification is very important. And if we'll talk about current scenario, then definitely you will find more than 8 lakhs individual with AWS certification, because there are a lot of job opportunities available with AWS certification. Now, what is AWS? I will give you a very simple example, and after that you will be definitely able to understand. But before that, the link has been given in description, so please enroll it right now and get this certificate. Okay, now, so friends, what is AWS? Before that, I wanted to tell you Facebook, Amazon itself, Netflix, Airbnb. So all these very famous companies, they uses AWS services. Okay. Now, what is AWS? To that we will understand. And if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so that you get all the update. Okay. So with a very simple example, I will be explaining what is AWS. So friends, suppose if you buy a car. Okay. Now, so what all things you have to take care? So you have to put the fuel into that. You have to, take care of the maintenance. You have to drive, right? So all these things you have to do. You have to clean. You have to wash. If anything goes wrong, then you have to get it repaired, right? So all this tension will be there when you buy a car. But when you book Ola, or when you book Uber, okay, so what happens? See, when you are booking it, and the distance which you are covering, according to that only you have to pay. You do not have to worry about their maintenance. You do not have to worry about the fuel. You do not have to worry about the driver. You do not have to worry about the distance. Okay, so AWS is something like that, where you will be able to use the services, hosting services. Okay, you will be able to use their server for how much space, how much space you want. For that only you have to pay. Okay, so you take it on rent. It's like how Uber and Ola you're taking on rent. So same thing, AWS also, based on your uses, you have to pay. You do not have to take care of the maintenance. You do not have to take care of the driver, fuel, and all those things. So AWS something like that. So if you have your own server, there are a lot of expenditures are there, but AWS will tell you, okay, so you pay for whatever you use. You do not have to pay more, and that is the reason AWS became so popular. And also AWS was the one in the market in the from the beginning, okay, in this cloud computing field. And that is the reason AWS is kind of prevailing the market. Okay, so it's one of the top trending AWS in the market. Okay, and this certification definitely you should and do. So this free AWS beginner course will help you to get started with Amazon Web Services and effectively architect cloud solution using AWS. Okay, you can see 5K plus satisfied learner, and here 2.5 hours of course content. That's all. And if you will come below, so you can see they have given the curriculum. So introducing to the cloud computing. So before you start with AWS, you need to understand what is cloud computing, what is EC2, and how to create EC2 instance, how to deploy an application using Beanstalk, creating an end-to-end AWS solution, working with NAT gateway and VPS peering. What is AWS? Using AWS Lambda with Eclipse, real-time use cases of AWS. What is virtual private cloud? So all those things you are going to learn in that. And definitely this particular Edureka course is very important, and you can just click on start learning. You can enroll to this course, and then you will be able to start. Okay, and once you finish this course, you will be getting the certificate, which you can also put on your LinkedIn, so that recruiter will be able to see from there. Once again, friends, if you like the video, if you think that the content whatever I have presented in this video is good, and if you want this kind of content, then please do comment below. like and share with your friends. So definitely I'll be doing more and more videos for you, so that you can earn certificates and you can apply for the jobs. Out of 100 jobs, you need only one jobs. Keep applying for the jobs, keep learning, keep collecting the certificate, and definitely you will be placed. We are putting a lot of effort for you guys, and that should not go in vain. Okay, so thank you, take care, all the very best, and we'll meet soon in the next video. And if you want me to do like these videos, that also you tell in the comment.